Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. In this video, we will learn how to create a broadcast that is announcement in TrackHr app. Open TrackHr app in your phone. As soon as you open the app, you will come to the home screen. To create a broadcast in the TrackHr app, we will open the dashboard, which opens by clicking on the three bars icon at the top left. And scroll down and click on the broadcast button. By doing this, we will come to the broadcast list screen, where we will see all the broadcasts. To create a new broadcast, press the blue button of Add Broadcast given below. First of all, we will type the message of the broadcast, that is announcement. After the message, we will select the recipient of the broadcast. To select this, we will click on Recipients. And as soon as we do this, we will see all the people of the organization in this list. Out of these, we will select the names of the people we want to send broadcast to and tick the checkbox. After doing this, we will click on the OK button below. After this, we will have to select the visible days of the broadcast, that is, we will choose for how many days this broadcast and recipients will be visible on the home screen. After this, we will click on the Apply bar in the top right, and similarly in some simple steps we learn to create broadcast in the TrackHr.